Installing a dash camera is becoming the new norm. Not only can it help you with an insurance claim, but maybe even settle arguments at the site of an accident. There are so many dash cams to choose from these days, but what if I told you that Polaris have just introduced a reverse camera that also records just like a dash cam? Introducing the new RVM966. The RVM966 is a mirror style monitor that replaces your rear vision mirror. Built into the mirror monitor is a dash cam that records onto an SD card. And you can also add a reverse camera that mounts onto the rear of the vehicle. Not only will the reverse camera assist you when reversing, it'll also record what's going on behind your vehicle. And it's also great for vehicles like delivery vans or motorhomes that have got limited visibility with their rear view mirror. And the mirror monitor comes with some handy features of its own. You can view each individual camera or have a split screen view. The mirror monitor comes with an external GPS antenna and will show you information like current speed, compass and time. You can also move the camera image around on the screen. It has an automatic looping feature, which means you never have to worry about the unit not capturing important footage. It has a G sensor built in, which means if the mirror monitor detects a sudden jolt, like someone hitting your car, it'll instantly lock your footage so it can't be recorded over. Not only that, but because the unit has constant power, if someone hits your car when it's parked, the unit will record that as well. The best part about the RVM966 is that once fitted, it's a nice and neat setup. So not only can the RVM966 offer you a reverse camera setup that creates less dash clutter, but it gives you peace of mind out there on the road by recording in front and behind your vehicle. The RVM966 can be fitted to all sorts of vehicles, including motorhomes, because it comes with a whopping 14 metres of cable. Hey, to find out more, go to their website polarisgps.com.au or give them a call 1300 55 55 14.